Hey everyone, welcome back to BitFix. In today's video, we're talking about how to write a strong motivation letter for any scholarship. Whether you're applying for a master's program, an exchange, or any other educational opportunity, your letter of motivation is a key part of your application. It's your chance to showcase who you are and why you deserve the scholarship. Let's break down an effective structure you can use. I'm going to walk you through a simple template that you can adapt to almost any scholarship application. This is structured to help you cover over all the essential parts of a motivation letter in a clear and professional way. You can download this template from link in the description. First things first, address the letter to the right person or committee. Start by introducing yourself, mentioning the program and explaining why you are applying. Here's how you can write the introduction. Introduce yourself clearly and mention the specific program. For example, the admission committee XYZ University. My name is John Doe. I am writing to apply for the master's program in computer science at XYZ University. This program focuses on advanced algorithms and machine learning, which will help me develop innovative solutions to real world problems. I believe this program will provide me with skills in software development, data analysis, and project management, and that's why I want to join this course. Next up is your academic background. Here you'll show how your previous studies have prepared you for the program you're applying for. Mention your degree and subjects that relate to the program. You can write something like, I completed my bachelor's degree in information technology at a BC university, where I studied courses like data structures, database management, and web development. These courses gave me a strong understanding of software engineering principles. During this degree, I worked on the Smart City project where I developed an application to improve urban transportation. This project taught me the practical applications of coding and project management. This experience developed my interest in computer science, and now I want to further advance in this field by pursuing a master's program. After your academic background, it's time to talk about your professional experience. If you've done any internships, jobs, or relevant projects, this is the place to showcase them. Here's how you can phrase this section. In addition to my studies, I gained practical experience through an internship at Tech Innovations, where I was responsible for developing and maintaining web applications. This internship taught me a lot and gave me practical skills in full stack development. These experiences helped me improve my coding and problem solving skills. I also learned to work in a team and effectively communicate technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Now, this is one of the most important parts of your motivation letter. You need to show why you're interested in this specific program and why the university is a good fit for you. You can say something like, the reason I'm very interested in the master's program in computer science at XYZ University is that it offers cutting edge research opportunities and a strong industry connection. I am particularly interested in studying its modules such as artificial intelligence and data analytics. These modules will equip me with the necessary skills to address complex challenges in technology. Another reason I wanted to join this course is that XYZ University is known for its diverse and innovative academic environment because I believe it will foster my creativity and critical thinking. Now I want to contribute to the ongoing work in this area, especially in developing sustainable technology solutions. Now talk about your long-term career goals and how this program fits into them. Explain what you hope to achieve after completing the degree. For example, my long-term career goal is to work in artificial intelligence research. I have always been interested in how technology can improve our lives. And through my project work at university, I realized my passion for AI. I want to work in roles that allow me to develop intelligent systems that can enhance human decision making. This master's program in computer science will help me reach these goals by equipping me with the skills needed to innovate in this field. Finally, wrap it up by expressing your excitement about the program and thanking the committee for considering your application. For example, I am very excited about joining the academic committee at XYZ University. My educational background, practical experience, and passion for computer science make me a strong candidate for the master's program. Thank you for considering my application. Lastly, avoid relying too heavily on AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to write your entire letter. Many scholarship programs such as Open Doors, Erasmus Mundus, and Stipendium Hungaricum have AI detection and plagiarism checking systems in place. While AI tools can be helpful for generating ideas, your motivation letter should be your own original work. Don't copy paste. Your unique voice is what will make your letter memorable. That's it for today's video on how to write a motivation letter for any scholarship. I hope this breakdown helps you craft a compelling and effective letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Bitfix for more tips and tricks, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Good luck with your applications and I hope to see you succeed.